Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. You can see that today the NASDAQ was struggling compared to the other indexes. Some of these guys are hitting new record highs, and the NASDAQ was like, not so much for me. So today I want to talk about one of the easiest patterns that I look for, and that is a fractal. I'm going to show you two from today's price action. First and foremost, on this 5-minute chart, let's open this up nice and big so you can see this. What is a fractal? A fractal is simply a spike up or down. And generally, if it's like absolutely a perfect fractal, it would be where this candle comes up, stops, next one, spike up, third one starts in reverse. So in this case, down at the same level. Now, this one isn't perfect. It's almost like a tall head and two shoulders, not to be confused with a head and shoulders pattern. That's not what I'm talking about. But you can see in this case, this went a little bit higher with this wick, and then this one started here and went down. It's close enough. That is still a fractal. So not perfect, but looking pretty good. And when I see those, oftentimes I'm thinking, okay, great, reversal. And in this case, it absolutely did that. So if you were watching this up, 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 see this fractal spike up and then start heading down. Now, some people, not me, some people like to wait until that third candle of the fractal closes just to make sure. This to me is way big enough that I would just take that momentum, short it up in here, and then ride this all the way down. So let me show you another one that was just beautiful. This one on the 60-minute time frame today. And all of this is the NASDAQ futures charts that we were looking at, just different time frames. So this is the 60-minute. And you can see here, this was like kind of just chilling. This is the overnight session and a little bit of down, a little bit of up, big spike up, and then down. Now, yes, it did go way down and then work its way higher. But in this particular thing, that's a pretty darn high spike. And again, not a perfect fractal because this wick ends here and this wick ends up here, but close enough to do what we need it to do. In other words, be an indication of a reverse in the direction. And that would have been a really nice short, potentially all the way down to these lows. As a reminder, Apex is having just a ridiculous sale this weekend. It's a little bit confusing because on different days there are different things. So here's the breakdown. Through Sunday night, now it's Friday right now when I'm recording this, through Sunday night, prices are 90% off. In addition, half price resets. Probably for a lot of you, it's actually cheaper when it's 90% off to get a brand new account, a fresh account, as opposed to resetting, because reset is going to be 40 bucks. Lots of the accounts are much, much cheaper than that at 90% off. Then on Monday and Tuesday, it's still going to be 80% off. So you're losing 10% of your discount, but still 80, which is still a great deal in my book. And that whole time, all the way through Tuesday, the 27th, is pass in one day possibility. So obviously today is over. You have Monday and you have Tuesday left. Of course, you can trade Sunday night as well. That counts as Monday trading according to Apex. So there you have it. Through Sunday night, you can save 90%. Monday and Tuesday, 80%. Till Tuesday when the markets close, you can pass in one single day if you hit your profit targets. There's a link and coupon code down below if you would like to jump aboard the funded trader train. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.